Hi boys and girls, welcome to our weekly spelling video. Here we go with this week's rule. This week's rule is shh, shh. Now normally shh is spelt C-S-H, but today it's going to be spelt C-H. Let's have a look. Spelling one is machine, machine. So we would normally think that would be S-H-I-N-E, but it's C-H. Sometimes CH says ch, sometimes it says k, but this week it's going to say shh. Here it is in a sentence. The machine made a loud noise as it created the object. Now, I can only see in the word there. There's no other words within words. So, in. Spelling two, parachute. Parachute. You say it. Well done. I was confident that my parachute would open before I land. So we've got para, which we can remember, P-A-R-A, para. Then your sh, oot, which is your split digraph, U-T-E. Again, no words within words here. Just use those sounds and that rule. Spelling three is chef. Chef. Quite an easy one, this one, as long as you remember it's not an S at the front. The chef created a marvellous spread for the party. Chef. Spelling four says moustache. Moustache. Now it's quite a tricky one, this one. You might want to put M-U-S, but it's M-O-U-S. Okay, the moustache was prickly on his face. You can also see at the end, it looks a bit like ache. Okay, moustache, but it's moustache. Spelling five is brochure. Brochure. So the family looked at the holiday brochure excitedly. Oh, that sounds good to me. Okay, so here we've got bro, like in brother, bro. Shh, that split digraph on the end. And our last one, champagne. Champagne. Some people say champagne, champagne. It's a French word. The cork flew out of the champagne bottle before it was poured. Here we've got the sh at the beginning of the word. So it looks like champagne, but it's champagne. And that G is tricky to remember. Okay, quiz time now. Can we complete the sentence this week? Which of our words finishes this sentence? The children looked through the blank to see the photos. Well, it's not going to be moustache, is it? Which is the missing word? Pause the video and write it down. Try and write the whole sentence to get some handwriting practice if you have the time. Well done if you said brochure. The children looked through the brochure to see the photos. Here's our next one. The man jumped out of the plane and waited for the blank to open. Which is a missing word there? Don't forget to spell it right. Pause the video to write it down. It's a long word. Well done if you said parachute. P-A-R-A, shoot, parachute. Here's the next one. The fizz in the blank made lots of bubbles. The fizz in the blank made lots of bubbles. Pause the video, a tricky one. The sh is at the beginning of the word. Champagne. The fizz in the champagne made lots of bubbles. Champagne. The blank made some delicious food for the family. So who could make delicious food for the family? This one's an easy one, only 4 letters, but don't put sir at the beginning. That's right, it's chef. Great job if you got that right. The man grew a long curly blank on his face. I think we know this one. Great job if you said moustache. And hopefully we spelt it right, not M-U-S, M-O-U-S. And remember that H on the end, or H, moustache. When the blank stopped working, the men had to fix it. What's the missing word there? Pause the video if you want some time to write the whole sentence. Good job if you said machine. When the machine stopped working, the men had to fix it. Fantastic. Hopefully this will get you a certificate on Friday. Keep practicing. See you soon.